shall show you how I made my pest repellent using items you can find in the house. Add some alcohol. I'm using my hand sanitizer which contains isopropyl alcohol. Next, add some dishwashing soap. I'm using about 1.5 teaspoons here. The amount of water used here is about 10 times the amount of alcohol used. This mixture has worked very well against powdery mildew that attacked my cucumber, chili and celery plants. I usually spray on the underside of the leaves like this. Sometimes I get unknown mushrooms popping out of my seed starting mix. I usually use the Bioprotect, an organic fungicide, to remove the shrooms. During the evenings, I sometimes spray some neem oil about once a week. This prevents insects from laying their eggs on the underside of the leaves. Are there any pest management tips that worked well for you? Share it with me in the comments below.